Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into two of the hottest business models on the internet, affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Whether you're looking to start your own online venture or just curious about the differences, stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. 1. Definition of affiliate marketing. First up is affiliate marketing. Simply put, it's a performance-based business model where you promote someone else's products and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique referral link. It's like being a digital middleman. You don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. You focus on creating content, driving traffic, and earning that sweet commission. 2. Definition of dropshipping. Now let's talk dropshipping. This model lets you sell products through your own online store without having to purchase any inventory up front. When a customer makes a purchase, you simply forward the order to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. Like affiliate marketing, you won't be handling physical products, but you'll be responsible for maintaining your store, managing customer relationships, and handling returns. Sounds easy, right? But let's see how these two models really compare. 3. Pros and cons. Let's break down the pros and cons of each. Starting with affiliate marketing. Pros: no need for inventory or shipping. Low startup costs. You can promote multiple products across different niches. You can work from anywhere with just a laptop and internet. Cons: you don't control the product quality or customer experience. You may face competition from other affiliates. Commissions can be quite small. Now, dropshipping. Pros: you can build your own brand and website. You can set your own pricing and profit margins, more control over customer relationships. Cons: you're responsible for customer service, possible issues with suppliers regarding stock levels and shipping times. Startup costs can be higher than affiliate marketing if you want a professional-looking store. 4. Which one is right for you? So, which model is right for you? It really depends on your goals and what you're comfortable with. If you prefer a hands-off approach, want to focus solely on content creation, affiliate marketing might be for you. However, if you're keen on brand building and enjoy working directly with customers, dropshipping could be the way to go. I remember when I first started, I was torn between the two. After a few months of testing, I realized that affiliate marketing aligned better with my skills. I found it easier to create engaging content and let the commissions roll in. But that's just my story. What's yours gonna be? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which model you'd like to try out. And remember, no matter which path you choose, consistency and adaptability are key to your success. Until next time, keep hustling. This script focuses on delivering information engagingly while encouraging viewers to reflect on their own preferences and experiences within the business models discussed.